In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font in Claude AI. We'll start from a clean slate. Open your web browser and head to Google. In the search bar, type Claude AI and press enter. In the results, look for the official Claude site, the one with the Claude.ai domain, and click it. That will take you to the main interface. If you're prompted to sign in, go ahead so you can access your settings and see the changes take effect. Once you're in, glance down to the lower left corner of the screen. You'll see your profile area, usually showing your avatar or initials. Click that to open a small menu. From that menu, choose Settings. This opens Settings, where you can adjust how Claude looks and feels during your chats. On the General section, scroll down until you find the Fonts area. This is where you can pick the typeface used in the chat interface. Click through the available options and notice how each one changes the look of your conversations. A clean sans serif often feels modern and easy on the eyes for long reading sessions, while a serif can add a more traditional book-like feel. If you work with lots of code snippets, a monospaced option is usually easier to scan line by line because every character takes up the same width. As you select a font, the change should apply right away, so you can immediately judge readability and spacing. Take a moment to skim a recent conversation and see how headers, messages, and code blocks look. If the text appears too light, too tight, or too spread out, try a different option until it feels comfortable for your eyes and your screen size. A quick tip: what looks great on a large monitor may feel cramped on a small laptop, so choose what suits your setup. If you don't see a font section, make sure you're on the General tab and give the page a quick refresh. Some features roll out gradually, so if it isn't visible yet, check back later. Also keep in mind that your font preference affects only your view. It won't change how your messages appear to anyone else. That's it. You went to Google, searched for Claude AI, opened the official site, clicked your profile in the lower left, opened Settings, scrolled down, and chose a font. Experiment for a day or two, then adjust if your eyes feel strained. Once you dial in the right look, reading and writing in Claude becomes noticeably smoother and more enjoyable. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your cleaner, more readable workspace.